Start pinching.
One minute left.
Yeah. Chill. Guys, you need to inch up. A little bit.
Guys,
Just
Stella
a
right,
little bit.
Stella right.
Quality Stella right, guys. I'm gonna call the conflict. Calm down.
30
You
seconds left.
need to conflict before you can hit your flash waves and tornadoes. Wait. Just stay.
10 seconds left.
Stay. Come. Sleepers. Come sleepers. Inch up, guys. Inch up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Defensive. Sleepers in. Now tornado. Flash wave.
Sleep done.
Spread. Just spread. You got wipe?
Bombay.
Not yet. Give me info. I die.
I die.
You fight.
Capping point.
Come to Ants Nest.
We're wrapping out A2.
RG Ants Nest. Inch up, son. Heal your party first. Come, all of you. Heal the party. Guys. Come to me. Don't go. Don't go yet. Come A2.
Ito.
A2.
Okay.
A2. On sun.
They're just staying in the Riftstones, man.
Go A2.
All of you A2. It's okay. A2. Where's my bomb squad?
Here. Ready na, man.
Try to bomb now. Stop
Okay,
inching.
wait.
Start inching. Everyone start inching. Wait. Hold. You hold.
We're pushing.
Bombers. Info. Now, going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full dip. Tornado flash wave. Guardians. Tornado flash wave. Guardians. Defensive, everyone. Defensive. Heal your party.
I die.
It's okay. What happened on the defensive? What happened on bomb squad?
We bombed them at the back. We already put the damage on them. But they already sustained it.
Someone's flanking us also.
From behind?
Yes, idol.
Where we regroup? A2
Okay.
again.
A2 again. I need Mephisto and who's the other one? Nagalolo party on B. B1. I need Mephisto and Nagalolo's party on B1.
We're gonna push with Naga's party.
No. You do your job. You do your own.
Okay.
Guys, come with me. Come on, son. Come on, son. To this piton. Let's go on 4. Where's the piton?
Saan na banda yung main zord?
We're on 4.
Ten.
We're going on 4.
Jump down kayo na.
Yeah.
Let me know if, gusto mo na kami pupush. Ready na kami.
Guys, we're gonna jump down, okay? I need you, all of you here.
Pupush na kami, Zimil Pupush na kami.
Yeah.
Wait.
Sekes party, you go A3, guys. Sekes party, you go A3. Astra, you go 10. Astra, you go 10. Astra, you go 10. Sekes party, I need you on A3.
Huh?
I need you to bait them on A3, okay?
Yeah,
Sekes,
we bait them already.
you baiting them?
Yeah. They're low.
Nagalolo party, start inching. Come. Come,
We died
son,
now.
Ha? Ano?
We died.
Okay, wait for
My
them
party,
again.
my party.
Nagalolo, your party dead? Come back.
They're pushing us, they're
Oh, jump,
pushing
guys, jump. Defensive. I need flash wave on me. Flash wave. Sleeper scene. Shallow. Kill this guys on the ripstone. Nagalolo party, go to the ants nest, guys. Go to ants nest, okay? Now come back, guys. Come back to ripstone. Defensive. I need defensive. Heal. Spread, guys. Bombers, I need you in. Okay, go back. Go. Come back. We got gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go inside them. Flash wave tornado. Millie, I need you inside the ripstone.
We're in C3 now. We're inching up.
Come. We're fighting on the ripstone.
Go. Push. Invi now.
Flash wave, tornado. Flash wave. You all die. Info. I need
We tried to
info.
bomb the ripstone. We're already bombed. They're low, but we died already.
It's okay.
We can retry.
Did you all die on their engage?
Hold one deeper.
Yamete,
Yes,
just
yes.
die.
I think they fully pushed Memphis and Naga's party. Yeah. They pushed them away.
Let's do that one more.
Okay,
Let's do
30
that one
seconds
more.
on cooldown.
If you see they're pushing, kindly go back. Full back, guys. Don't let them catch you. Okay? Come 10 again. We
We
still
have
have
30
14 minutes.
30 seconds cooldown pa man.
Okay.
Are you still pushing on 4?
Yeah, we're still running on 4.
We're going to A3.
Yes. Wait, it's lagging. Okay, I'm gonna heal you. Heal your party. Check sun, guys. Check sun.
Bomb is ready.
Okay. Where are they?
They're in the Riftstone still. Riftstone.
You go back, guys. Don't die. Come on the tree, guys. Come on the tree. It's okay.
We have all cooldowns sa amin mill. Okay na. It's,
Okay. Come A3 now. Bomb squad. I need you to bomb now.
yeah, inching up kami.
Guys, I need you to
C4
bomb now.
Yeah, we're
C4.
inching now.
Inch now. B. Inch now. Now fly down, guys. All of you. Fly down. Come here on me, come here on me, come here on me, come here. Defensive now, defensive,
we bomb now.
defensive, defensive,
Go now.
defensive, defensive.
Marami na,
We're
marami
gonna go
na,
in
marami
5,
na.
4, 3, 2,
Big
1.
sleep done. Big
Come on,
sleep.
come on, come on. Slip, tornado, flash wave, tornado, flash wave. Guardians, tornado, flash wave, tornado, flash wave. Nice. Who wiped them, who wiped them, who wiped them.
Nice one.
Come. Kill them. Nice. You wipe them. Wipe. You fight your all. DPS. Heal your party members. It's okay. Heal. Keep healing.
Bobby's regrouping. Oh.
Bomber regroup, please.
Yeah, we're regrouping now.
I dead as well. Wait.
I'm dead.
We killed so many, right? Why there's still too many of them?
I think they sustained so much still.
Hindi, marami nag-push sa likod. Yung nasa likod, bumalik lang sa gitna.
I think that's from B3.
Okay. Let's try the other way. Main ball, come with me on 1. Naga party on A. Wait. I need tanks on 1. I need all tanks on 1. If your DPS go to A. I need only tanks here. Tanks. Also the healer go to A. Tanks come here on me. Let's try another strategy. I need all DPS on A. I need yeah. I need someone to call on A1 for flash wave, guys. I need someone to call A1 on flash wave. Benok, can you call? Yeah. Nice.
Mark me.
Come.
Main Zerg is changing.
Wait, yeah. Their main
Let
sir.
me know. We can each up.
Yeah. Bri, you go up. Can you go up? No.
Wait, 4?
Come with us on 1.
Okay,
You
come.
front the milies. Come. Fast. You need to front the milies.
We are at A1.
Yeah. DPS A1, tanks on B. DPS on A1. Come. Inch up now.
We are
We're
at
here,
A1,
we're
moving to A2 now.
Okay. Guys, we need to sustain this for our DPS to kill them at the backside, okay?
Come everyone, all DPS on A2.
Guys. Inch up.
All DPS on
Wait.
A2.
Come back. Where's my bombers?
On me. Here. On your back. Just beside
Come.
you.
Go in front.
Going
Going now.
Let me know when
Bombers
you
only,
start
bombers only.
engaging.
Bomber. Sekes. Are
Guys,
you in?
guys, Stay
Yeah,
on
we're
A2.
in.
Stay on A2 for now.
Defensive, guys. Defensive.
We're moving
Milies,
to A3.
Come. Move now.
Kill their
Healers.
backline.
Kill their backlines. Healers. DPS, kill their backline now. Gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys,
Flash wave,
tornado.
flash
I need
wave.
you, tornado. Tornado flash wave. Nice. You can kill them. Guys, go A1, guys. If you're dead, go A1.
Sakit.
You just got run down.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just get around down.
Daming flash wave.
It's okay. Okay, let's try one big surge.
Where?
On A. Here on me. On 5. Go to 5. Guys, I need you full heal. Everyone, full heal. On 5.
Even going to.
Yeah, you go with us as well. You'll just go first, okay? Kill these mobs, kill these mobs, kill these mobs. Bombers, bombers, stop inching. Bombers, stop inching.
Start inching.
Start inching, start inching, start
Alright.
inching. Guys, guys, guys. Start inching, all of you. Walk, 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 walk. Bombers, bombers, bombers. I need you here on A3.
Yeah, we're pushing now. We're pushing now.
Hold, guys. Hold.
Bomb na,
Hold,
bomb na.
hold,
Bomb,
hold,
we're
hold,
bombing, we're robbing.
Okay. Hold. Kill this guy shallow. Kill this guy shallow. Now, kill this guy shallow. Defensive. I need your defensive. I need your
We
defensive.
already bomb, we
We're
already
gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tornado. Flash wave. Nice. Flash wave. You spread. Can you cap, guys? Can you cap? Undox, try to cap. You get wiped now.
Get wiped.
What do you think the much better approach? Three-way. Okay, let's try the three-way again. Naga,
Pwede isa pa,
Mepis.
Idog.
Yeah. Naga, Mepis on B again. Main ball 210.
I
Main
mean,
ball 10.
pwede isang main ball pa
I'm
din
gonna
late yung ano.
One main ball. Sige.
Bomb will
Late
be
yung
on C4.
crossbow. Late yung crossbow papasok.
Sige. Crossbow, you're gonna go in late, okay?
Yes,
Come
yes.
3. Start coming to 5. Start regrouping on 5. Regroup on 5. Heal your party. You can drop it no guardian. Did you put Yamete as guardian? Shada?
No.
Okay. Can you put him now? As...
Wait.
Kill these mobs inside of us. Okay. Bombers, I need you on the back lane, okay? Once we go in, you go inside them. You fill them inside, okay?
Okay.
Come. Start inching, guys. Everyone.
Help, guys.
Start inching.
Okay.
Just spread. Sleeper scenes. I need sleeper scene. Sleepers. I need sleepers. Flash wave
Cancel.
now.
Fuck.
Tornado now. Tornado. Flash wave. Now bombers in now. Bombers in.
Yeah,
Try to soak the damage. Go behind them. Trying to soak the damage. Go behind them, guys. Go behind them.
Their backline has so many damage. We died instantly.
I need summon gate, guys. Okay. No. Wait. Don't summon gate yet. Just come back here, guys. If you can come back. There's so many.
Gago, dami.
It's okay. Okay. I need my party and Nagalolo's party on B. Benok, same. You go A, Benok.
Okay.
Venom.
Naga and my party on B. Naga and my party on B.
Stay on A2 first.
I need summon gate ready.
I will summon.
Stay on
Kill
A2
these
for
mobs
now.
inside of us. Kill these mobs.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Yeah.
Saan kayo da-drop sa A3? Yung summon?
Tapos ano, Sekes party, go in front of the main ball.
Okay, okay.
Pass, double time, guys.
They already summon gate.
They already summon gate now?
Yes, at the back of the Ripstone.
Okay.
Yeah, we're here.
We go 1 minute, guys. We go 1 minute.
You're already here on A2.
Ready. Come, start inching B. Start inching B.
Yeah, we're inching now, inching.
I need bombers to go in.
Yeah, wait. We're inching
Everyone?
up, inching up.
In shop 2, everyone.
Bombers go in.
Pushing na sila A3.
Just in shop.
We're
Just
inching.
Defensive, guys. Defensive.
Flashing
Just,
A3.
just bait them.
Flashing
We're
A3.
pushing Venox.
let's bait them. Let's bait them.
Flashing A3.
Defensive here. Defense now.
No one is in the Ripstone.
Where's the summon gate?
A3. Upper.
Come back, Ripstone. We got Ripstone. Come back. We're gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I need you to go in. Flash wave tornado, everyone. Flash wave tornado. We need to hold this. Don't die. We need to hold this. Use the summon gate, guys. Use the summon gate.
Oh, it's done.
Nice
That's
try.
that.
Nice try.
GG.
Nice try, guys.
Oy,